I still gotta get the S15 registered. Me and my girlfriend went to Gatlinburg, so I didn't have enough time. So, gotta take the work truck today. Yeah, we're gonna go to side road. There was an accident on the main road. I'm not getting stuck behind that. Here we are, the good old AutoZone. Got the goods secured. Alright, so flash forward into the future. I really didn't get to record too much of yesterday because I was extremely busy. I literally just landed in Atlanta, back from my trip with my girlfriend. However, after landing, I did manage to rush over and find myself an OEM front seat for the S15. The reason why I'm taking this video kind of late is because it has been extremely hot in Georgia and all of the US, so I'm kind of waiting till about evening time to do this so I can detail the seat. Even though it really doesn't need that much detailing, it's in pretty good condition. This seat was basically what I was looking for. I wanted a front OEM S15 seat because I didn't want to have to deal with the hassle of trying to mess with the S14 rails and trying to fit it on the 15. And honestly, for the price that I got it and condition wise, I couldn't be any more happier. It beats having to try to find and source an S15 front seat and ship it from Japan and having to deal with the taxes and shipping. So I am extremely grateful for the guy who did let go of this for me. Now, don't get me wrong, I really do like the Recaro bucket seat. However, driving and getting in and out of the car, like comfortability wise, nothing beats the OEM. I did pick up this lightning fast stain extractor from Chemical Guys. I am going to spray it just a little bit. Although it's not horrible, I'm probably just going to use my handheld vacuum, suck up some of that dirt, and then just give it a little spritz before I put it in my car, just so it takes a little bit of the dirt and grime away. Alright, now that I got the S15 pulled up, it's time to take out this Recaro seat. Also, don't mind if you hear me breathing. It's like 100 degrees, hot as hell out here. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's 14 millimeter, but we'll see. The good old Milwaukee. Then the last two. Honestly, these weren't that tight. Whoever installed this. Look at this one. It's almost out. Also, word of advice, whenever you take bolts out, always put them in the correct orientation that it was. It helps in the long run. So, left back, right back. This is the left front and the right front. So now when you install it, you'll have the correct bolts, if they're different. Now to take this Recaro out of my car without scratching it. There should be a clip for the seatbelt. Yeah, right here. Here we go. All right, this thing definitely needs a detail. These mats are dirty. Oh, it's 100 yen? Oh, that is so cool. What is this? I don't know what this one is. If anybody, how much is this? If anybody knows how much this one is, that is so cool. Oh, it's just a washer. I was about to say, there's no way. That is so cool. What the heck? I'm definitely keeping that. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'll do an actual detail later on. I just want to get a little bit of this up. I did notice after looking, I'm missing one washer, but thankfully my grandfather collects a bunch of stuff, so there should be one in here. Let's see. Oh, I think it's right on top. Imagine. It's a little hard to do with one hand. Oh, that fits perfect. Nice. Yeah, that's literally perfect. I think it's the same size. That's a little bigger. You'll be right. All right, I'm gonna fast forward to when it's done. I just gotta take the seat buckle off and transfer it over to the OEM seat and put it in. It's getting a little dark and I don't wanna lose daylight, so the next clip will be when the seat's in the car. All right, so I don't think this bolt is exactly the right bolt for the OEM seat because it's kind of at a weird angle and this bolt's really tiny. So I'm having to get a little ghetto. Put a paper towel in this short socket so this doesn't sink down all the way, so I can screw it into here. Time to go back in the car. Well, as it typically goes, it gets dark pretty quick. That's besides the point. I'm so excited to have an OEM front seat back in the car, especially an S15 one. Now I can get in and out of the car. Perfect. Sliding rails work great. I couldn't be more happier. Now I don't look like an idiot getting in and out of this car. It's already small as is. Now I did like the Recaro bucket seat. If anyone's interested, I will have it for sale. You can either message me on my Instagram, the link will be in the description, or you can leave a comment on this video. But other than that, I'll catch you guys.